Hello my donuts and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a cupcake flower bouquet. This is my first time doing this, so let's just see how I do. So what I'm using is this tissue paper just to add some green effect, and then a styrofoam ball with some skewers and a flower pot. And I also have my 5 regular size cupcakes. So for frosting, I did this yellow one. Of course, I just added food coloring, and then this red one. And I did do this frosting by scratch. And here I am just getting my piping bags ready. I'm adding these fancy little instruments that I got from Amazon, but those, of course, you really don't need them. It's just to be fancy. Now I'm just gonna speed up the process of me prepping my other piping bag and choosing the tips. These tips and all of these instruments I got off Amazon. I will definitely link it down below. So with this plastic cup, it is so helpful. It helps you have a good grip on the piping bag while you're putting the frosting in, so you won't make a mess or anything. So grabbing my flower pot, now I'm going to start placing the cupcakes on the skewers. And you want to take your time with this because sometimes the skewers are going to pop out of the cupcakes and you want to push them down, just like this one, it happened to me. And also you want to check all the sizes to see if they're right, see if they fit in the right spot. So definitely take your time on this. I actually grabbed 5 cupcakes thinking only 5 were going to be able to fit, but I had enough space to add one more. If you see here in a little bit, you will see that I have a blank spot, so I went ahead and just added one more cupcake. I just squeezed it in there. Now that I have the cupcakes all nice and fitted in the flower pot, I'm gonna go ahead and start piping them. So what I'm doing here, I am pushing down the frosting to get rid of all of the air bubbles, so it won't like splat when you're actually piping the cupcakes. And then I also did like a little test run on my piece of, I think it was a lid, but yeah, I just wanted to make sure the frosting was ready to go so I can finally apply it to the cupcake. So the tip that I am using to create this flower effect is the 15 tip, I believe. But I went ahead and started in the middle, and then I go around slowly to get that pretty flower effect. So the white frosting that I am using, it's cream cheese, but I didn't cool it. I didn't leave it in the freezer for long, so I had to take them out of the little skewer because they kept on dripping, and I was just like, let me just finish piping them and then I'll put them back on. So if this happens to you, it is perfectly okay for you to take them off. So right now I am rearranging the cupcakes. I didn't want my colors to be back to back, but that's what I did. It was kind of hard since I only had 6 cupcakes to work with and 2 colors. But what do you guys think? This is my first time doing this, and I thought it came out pretty good. I am proud of myself. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you recreate this. If you do, please tag me. Bye.